Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable automatic synchronization on the KOBO Clara Colour eReader. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to the settings by going to the More tab first. So we can press this button on the bottom right, which says More, to access the More tab. Then we're going to press Settings, press Syncing and Updates, and enable automatic sync if we want the automatic synchronization to be enabled. So what automatic synchronization does is it basically automatically synchronizes your book, your e-reader, with the cloud sometime of the day, whichever one you set right here. So it's gonna do it automatically. You don't have to do it manually, and that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.